Hey guys, welcome to the Experience Life through Fuse Lenses YouTube channel, the destination on YouTube to stay updated on eye health, sun protection, and all things sunglasses. I'm Gabby.
And I'm Eric.
And we're part of the Fuse Lenses team and also hosts of this channel. Every week we post videos on vision and eye care, sun protection tips and tricks for when you're exploring the outdoors, sunglass trends and fashion, and getting the most out of your name brand shades. You only have 2 eyeballs and 1 life, so protect your vision and your experiences.
If you have eyes,
Check.
see the sunlight,
Check. Well, hopefully.
and wear sunglasses,
Check.
then hit that subscribe button and make sure to hit the bell so you don't miss any of our new videos. You should just do it. Come on, do it. All right, so who are we and what do we do? At Fuse Lenses, we believe that life is about the experiences that you create, and our mission is to be the lenses that you view those experiences through. That's why we created this channel, so you can do more of what you love instead of worrying about all the little things, like what sunglasses you're gonna wear when you crack a lens or scratch your favorite pair. Here at Fuse Lenses, we make high-quality polycarbonate replacement lenses for your brand name sunglasses with polarization, mirror coatings, and tons of color options. Yeah. You heard me right. Replacement lenses for your name brand sunglasses like Oakley, Ray-Ban, Costa Del Mar, Tom Ford, Warby Parker, Fendi, Gucci, and Dolce & Gabbana. Any name brand. We got it. Yeah, we can replace those lenses and have them fit perfectly and look even better than before.
Okay. You may be thinking sunglasses are just sunglasses, but when you spend hundreds of dollars on name brand sunglasses and you scratch or crack a lens, it's just frustrating and sad. And we don't want you to be sad about your sunglasses. We want you to be outside enjoying the sun and your life. Get yourself some replacement lenses for a fraction of the cost, extend the life of your favorite glasses, and get right back to experiencing your life and looking real good while doing it.
So head on over to fuselenses.com if you want to see our replacement lens options. Just select your style, your lens, color, and type, and we'll ship them to you. Or we can replace the lenses for you with our concierge service. Okay, that's enough about us for one day. We want to hear from you. Comment with your questions about eye health, sun protection, or about our services. Thanks again for stopping by our channel. Subscribe, don't forget the bell, and we'll see you next time.